The Powertrain Requires Service message in your Tesla Model 3 indicates a problem with the electric powertrain, specifically the drive unit. This unit is a modular assembly that includes the traction motor, inverter for DC to AC conversion, and associated power electronics. If unresolved, this may trigger Limp mode, a safety feature that limits speed to 40 to 50 miles per hour and reduces regenerative braking to protect the vehicle. Several factors can trigger this warning. These include temporary software glitches, sensor malfunctions within the motor, hardware wear like bearings or inverter capacitors, and electrical faults such as loose connections or battery management system discrepancies. Hot climates and aggressive driving can exacerbate these issues. Before scheduling service, try these troubleshooting steps. First, check your Tesla app or touchscreen for specific error codes. Access the service menu to view diagnostic information. Next, perform a power cycle. Shift the car to park, hold the brake pedal, and tap power off twice on the touchscreen to reset the system. Finally, check for and install any available over-the-air software updates. Tesla frequently releases updates to address powertrain issues through the car's system. If the powertrain warning message persists after attempting the basic troubleshooting steps we've covered, it's essential to schedule a professional service appointment at your nearest Tesla service center. Tesla's certified technicians are equipped with specialized diagnostic tools that can provide a comprehensive analysis of the vehicle's systems. The most important tool they use is the Tesla Diagnostic Connector, which interfaces directly with the vehicle's onboard computer to scan for specific error codes. This detailed diagnostic process allows technicians to identify the root cause of the powertrain issue accurately and efficiently. While it's tempting to try DIY repairs when dealing with vehicle issues, attempting to fix powertrain problems without the proper training and specialized equipment can actually make the situation worse. Tesla's electric powertrain is a complex integrated system that requires professional expertise to diagnose and repair safely. Depending on the diagnosis, repairs for the Tesla Model 3 powertrain can range from simple recalibration of the drive unit to replacing entire modules. Costs can vary widely, from $500 to $5,000 or more, depending on the parts and labor involved. Software glitches are often resolved remotely, whereas hardware issues necessitate physical repairs or replacements. Tesla's over-the-air software updates play a significant role in addressing powertrain issues. These updates can resolve many problems remotely without requiring a service visit. These updates include improved fault detection for the drive unit, which encompasses the electric motor, inverter, and associated electronics. They also feature enhanced sensor calibration and predictive maintenance algorithms that help prevent issues before they occur. These updates reduce the frequency of false positive warnings and can even resolve some underlying hardware problems without a service visit. For example, in 2025, Tesla rolled out a global patch that addressed inverter glitches in hundreds of thousands of Model 3 vehicles, with a 95% success rate through over-the-air updates alone. Keeping your Tesla updated is crucial to maintaining optimal performance and avoiding unnecessary service calls. Tesla is leveraging telematics and AI to enable predictive maintenance. By analyzing data from its fleet of vehicles, Tesla identifies patterns that allow preemptive addressing of potential powertrain issues. Future software versions will further improve diagnostic capabilities, significantly reducing service incidents. To minimize the risk of powertrain issues in your Tesla Model 3, focus on preventive measures and mindful driving habits. Avoid aggressive driving habits, such as frequent hard acceleration. This increases motor wear, as Tesla's AI analytics links such habits to accelerated drive unit degradation. Monitor your battery health through the Tesla app. Regular checks help identify issues early and maintain optimal powertrain performance. Ensure your vehicle receives regular software updates. These over-the-air updates improve diagnostics and can prevent or fix potential powertrain problems. In coastal areas, be mindful of potential corrosion from salt exposure. Consider protective measures for wiring and drive unit components to prevent electrical faults. By following these preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the likelihood of powertrain issues and extend your Tesla Model 3's lifespan.